regression in Eviews. So step number 1 is to say file, then you go to new web file, then you go to the web file structure depending on your data type. Now in my case I'll just choose unstructured. Then it's asking me the observations. Let's say I've got 5 observations. Then I can say okay. Then I've got my web. Now I can now go on to generate my variables. So I'll come here and I'll say generate y is equal to 0. I say equals and I press enter. As soon as I do that, you will notice that below here I now have my y generated. Next I can generate my x1. Generate x1 is equal to 0 and it appears down there. Generate x2 is equal to 0. Enter. Lastly, generate x3 is equal to 0. Enter. So I have my x1, x2, x3 and my y. And then I can go on to manually enter my data set. So I'll click there and I'll say edit. Then I can enter my, let me say I've got 1, 3, 5, 6 and 9. I can go to the next one. I can x1 again. I'll repeat the process. Let me say 23, 34, 55, 67, 78. I can repeat that process for x2 again. Edit. Let me say 0.45, 0.56, 0.34, 0.22, 0.11. There we go. Lastly, I can go to my x3, repeat that process again, edit. Here, let me say 1.23, 2.34, 4.56, 6.78, 4.89. Right, there we go. I have my data set. Now next step is to run the multiple regression. So there are 2 methods. Method number 1, I can just come to the space here and I can type ls for list squares. Then I'll type y for the dependent, c the constant, x1, x2, x3, then enter. Right, there we go. That is our multiple regression output there. That is our method number 1. Alternatively, instead of typing my command here, I'll just say quick estimate equation. Then I enter my equation here. I'll start with y, c, then x1, x2, x3. C is for the constant, by the way. Then I can go and I'll say enter again. There we go. That is my multiple regression output. That is all I had in this tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.